Water damage can be a costly problem for any commercial business or organization. Conventional door thresholds often leak, causing interior damage to floors and fixtures, which can create dangerous slip and fall hazards for customers and employees. The SilGuard Drainable Threshold from Inverge is a revolutionary new product that minimizes water leakage from rain, sprinklers, and maintenance in all types of commercial and industrial buildings. Ideal for retrofitting existing buildings or for new construction, SilGuard is a unique performance threshold that ensures water is directed away from interiors and out of the buildings. Its unique channel design maintains the same specifications as standard thresholds. The product is 4 1/2 inches wide, 1/2 inch in height, and is available in a variety of lengths. SilGuard is ideal for both pivot and hinge door assemblies, and is available in a variety of finishes to accommodate project needs. Installation is fast and easy. Most professionals can install SilGuard in less than 30 minutes. Simply remove existing door and threshold. Prepare the surfaces, apply shims if needed, and install SilGuard. No surface caulking is required. Finally, reinstall the door. SilGuard Drainable Threshold drains more than 2 gallons of water per minute, minimizing water intrusion, reducing costly water damage, mitigating mold accumulation, and saving both time and money spent on repairs and litigation. This simple yet groundbreaking 2-piece door threshold meets ADA standards and solves the industry-wide problem of water intrusion under commercial and industrial doors. SilGuard Drainable Threshold is available now, so fix those leaking doors today. Contact Inverge to order, or visit our website at drainableThreshold.com for more information. SilGuard Drainable Thresholds, the simple way to prevent door leakage.